Hi students, welcome to Unit 14. I am reviewing the last few units of the term, and I just wanted to review that quickly with you. This will be the last instructions that will be revealed for this particular unit, and then for Unit 15, there will be no instructions. You can go from this overview video. We are wrapping up and continuing the progress of our typographic portrait. Remember, you will be building textures, creating values. For example, you can see sort of the characters that have been used to create this portrait of Michael Jackson, and how his hair was built from several different singular characters. And then I've provided a quiz here just for fun. And then you want to post to the forum. Be sure you do that by midweek, even if you're not at a point where you're 100% loving your portrait, but I want you to at least have a chance to get feedback from others. Do that by midweek, respond to others in support and direction, helping each other out. The last and final unit, this will be the last few things you'll have to do for the entire term. And yes, I'm revealing these at the same time so that those of you who may have need extra time get that extra time, and those of you who want to move forward can do so. Unit 15 final quiz is a culmination of all the previous quizzes we've had in this course, so you'll recognize some of the answers and questions in this quiz. You'll be given that. It is not timed, and I believe there is 1 or 2 attempts. The final typographic portrait will be submitted here to the submission link, and then I'm going to request that everyone have their final work in no later than May 4th, Friday at midnight. I know the term actually ends that Monday, but that's when my grades are due, so I absolutely need you to submit your work by Friday midnight. The instructor evaluation, I'd like to give everyone extra credit points, the people that complete that. So if you're able to complete it and upload a screen capture of your completion page to this submission link, I will give you an extra, did I say an extra 15 credit points? I think it's an extra 10 or 15 extra credit points just for completing the course evaluation. So if you have questions, please let me know. It's been a pleasure working with you all. I've seen a lot of great talents throughout the term, and I am really looking forward to having you further along in the program. Typography is one of those subjects that really add value to your skill set and your conceptual workflow as a graphic designer. So good luck to you all. It was really phenomenal to see the fruitful discussions happening in the forums, and I cannot wait to see you in the next course in the graphic design program. Have a wonderful break, and good luck in your last few units. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care.